So have you been thinking about purchasing a Porphis, but they got so many damn models you don't know where to start? Well, you don't want to miss this episode of Two Guns, One Cup.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
All right, boy, y'all know what it is when I come out swinging, boy. Two guns, one cup, match up. Y'all know how it go. In this corner, we're in the blue trunks. We have the PRD 627, equipped with the DeVilbiss regulator. Split nozzle technology. You know what I'm saying, hey, man? And in this corner, the PHS 155, equipped with no split nozzle, looking like the Black Widow, but in the black trunks and equipped with the same exact DeVilbiss regulator. Y'all want to know? Now they going toe to toe. So what we got here, man? Chevy Impala. Let me get you off the mount and take you on in for a closer look. Okay, yeah. So this is what we got here, man. On this side of the vehicle, we're gonna split the vehicle in half. Y'all seen it before, so you know how it go. PRD 627 blue. See here? That's gonna be this side. That's gonna be this fender, this half of the hood. And on this half, the PHS 155 black. Gonna do that side. And then what we do, we're gonna do on the bumper, we're gonna give the bumper to the PHS 155 black, the black gun on the bumper. Since the split nozzle already has the upper hand and it's been getting some pretty good shine lately with that PRD 717, it's already got the upper hand, so we're gonna give the little engine that could a little more playtime. So he's gonna get the bumper, and the hood, the front cap here is gonna be split between the two. So that's what we're gonna do, man. I'm gonna go ahead, mask up, mix up, and we're gonna get to it. Boop. Look who's back again. Look who's back again. Brought a friend, Porphis. Y'all want to know? So they going toe to toe. And y'all know how the game go, man. You got to get your bets in now. Get your bets in early. Who you think is going to win? The PRD, the blue trunks, or the PHS 155? Get your bets in early. I don't know, just like y'all don't know, but I had a hunch. So put your hunch in, put your bets in, because after 3 minutes, they don't count. If you're gonna participate, be fair, put your bets in now. Who you got? Okay, so got a couple more guns here. The PRD 627, again, the split nozzle. I'm digging it. I'm really digging it. And this PHS 155, I mean, it's cool. It's cool. It really does look just like the Black Widow from the front. Kind of sprays just like it too. Kind of sprays just like the Black Widow. I won't say exactly like it, but it's more in that same ballpark, you know. As you see, swapping out right in front of you. Same canister, same paint, no trickery. Y'all know how it go. You've seen it before. But yeah, that split nozzle on these guns, man, I'm really digging it. I'm really digging it. You know, if you can see here, you see the speed I'm going. You see the transfer efficiency. It's good. I mean, you see it's putting down. It moves a lot faster. I'll give it that. And we all know Trigger Man is a fast painter. I like to paint fast. That's my preference. So you would think that, Trigger Man must like this gun because it paints fast. He's a fast painter. And the gun is moving. Like, look at it. Compared to the other side. Quite possible. But if you ain't got your bets in by now, too late. So yeah, man. I mean, gun is nice. Both of them are nice. The split nozzle, that gun just seems like it's made a little better. You know what I want to say? I'm assuming that this gun here is more on their the more budget friendly gun list. And the split nozzle gun, you know, it's just in the hand. It feels a lot better. The trigger is a lot smoother. Again, this gun isn't bad. It doesn't feel bad in the hand. Again, it feels something just like a Black Widow. And when I say like a Black Widow, I mean really, really similar to the Black Widow. That's the way it feels in my hand. That's the way it sprays. That's the vibes I get from the gun. Only thing I would say is that this gun sprays a lot faster than the Black Widow. But other than that, it's very similar to it. It's a little cheaper actually. I think the Black Widow was like $160 or something like that from Harbor Freight. This PHS 155 goes for $102 on Porphis website. So, and this gun here with the split nozzle, that one is for, I believe, $230 on Porphis website. So, you know, you got a little difference in dollars there to play around with, but you know, it's whatever's in your budget. And you know, you want to treat yourself and treat yourself, you know. You can't give her all your money, man. Don't give her all your money. You gotta treat yourself a little bit, you know. But yeah, so this gun here, yeah, it's a decent gun. I'm spraying this one here at a little bit higher pressure. The split nozzle, I noticed, you know, likes a little bit less pressure. So on the base, I was at about 22 psi. Okay, so maybe this is my last coat. Okay, this is my last coat, like a drop coat. But yeah, this one here, around 22 psi, 21, 22 for the base. And when I get into the clear, I'm right up around 26, 27, and it's sprayed fine, no problem. The PSH 155 base coat, right around 20, 21, about the same, but clear coat, I feel like I had to bump that gun up a little bit, so that gun actually went up to 32 psi. I cranked this gun here, the PHS, up to right around 30, 31 psi, 32ish, and it was fine. So again, this is my first run with the guns. I haven't practiced with them before recording. You know, I just brought them in, ran some thinner through them, kind of felt it where I felt good with it and went with it. And you'll see the results at the end were pretty good. But again, just like every gun and every painter, I have to spray with it a few times to really kind of get the hang of it. You know, this was just right out of the box, slap my adapters on it, slap the regulators on it, and sprayed the car, you know. I know people gonna tell me, oh, Trigger, oh, this channel says you need to spray this pressure. This channel says, oh, you can spray it. Let me feel the gun out. It's my first run, okay? It's my first run. My first run. Okay, here's where I was noticing. I've been painting the middle of this bumper the whole time, not even realizing I'm painting the edges of those fenders. And the edge of this bumper has to meet up with the edge of my fenders. You know, so my color needs to be there. I was trying to stay away from the corners of these bumpers. See, I just noticed that. You know, again, I'm in there, 2 guns, 1 cup, switching guns, switching cups, trying to get a good job, you know, so it gets a bit hectic for the trigger man. I am human. But I just noticed that. That's what you saw on camera when I was looking over there and pointing at it. You know, I'm putting base on the fender where the bumper meets up to it, but I wasn't putting my color on the edge of my bumper.
Trigger man. Man, that's because you're trying to do too much in the damn paint booth, man. Come on, Trigger. You're doing the 2 guns and 1 cup and you're swapping over, and man, how you don't mess up more than that, I don't know, Trigger, but that's a lot of stuff you're in there trying to remember to do, man. And then you still get a decent, dang boy, look at that damn Porphis, man. I like that gun, Trigger. Yeah, that thing looking nice there, man. Man, they be having making some pretty good guns over there in Wuhan, man. Man, these guns straight out of Wuhan. Man, I don't know what they doing over there, man, but shoot, they got the right ingredients for making these spray guns, man. They're gonna put the rest of these big major high-dollar companies out of business. Oh, and swapping that sucker right over, huh? Look at there. Same canister, same clear. Now let's see what this little gun gonna do. I'll see who I'm gonna put my bet on when I see this. I'll know then, Trigger. Let me see what this thing can do. You know. Damn, that thing fast, man. Yeah, that thing like 2 times as fast, Trigger. Yeah, it seems like it's more overspray though. Look at the overspray. But that thing is fast, man. And I know you're a fast painter and you like to paint fast, Trigger. So I'm gonna go with this one, man. I'm gonna bet on the PHS 155. That's what I'm betting with, man. I know you said the bets had to be in early, so that's my bet. Yeah, that thing look nice there. Yeah, that's glass, Trigger. That's glass. That's glass there, Trigger. I like that. I like that. Oh, you're bumping the pressure. I saw you bump the pressure a little bit. Oh, that's where you say you turn it to 32 psi. Yeah, that's glass there, man. That's my bet. That's my bet. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here. I'll wait till the end to see who's the winner. Spray on, brother. Spray on, brother.
Yes, so as you can see, this gun is 2 times as fast, you know. It's 2 times faster. It puts out a lot of material, which is not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. Actually, that's normally my preference. But with the other gun, it's yeah, you're sacrificing a little bit of speed, but the finish, I can't really say the finish because they both, you'll see at the end, the finish is very similar. I don't know, this is just more controlled, you know. This is more controlled. As you see how I'm moving with it here. It's more controlled, and it's not annoyingly slow, you know, like with the DV1. For the guys that watch my channel from the beginning, the DV1 I cannot spray with. It's irritating. I don't like it. I'm probably never going to use it again unless they come out with a C3 speed cap or something like that. So it's not annoyingly slow like that. This is the type of speed. It's okay. It's a little bit slower than I prefer to go. Again, I love to spray fast. That's my thing. That's my style. But this isn't annoyingly slow like the DV1. And again, for a beginner, I think that's perfect. You know, you don't have to worry about the gun going out of control so damn fast and you're getting runs and it's just pouring out on you. You know, I can handle either one of them. But the PRD, you see here, it's just, you know, just hauling tail wide open. And if I wind in the fluid, it won't perform the same, you know, which I'll still play around with those settings and I will try that, but it won't perform the same. You know, it's a ratio to the fan, the fluid, the pressure, you know, all of that stuff. A ratio, a formula, it all has to be in sync, you know. So you can only dial in, turn in the fluid, you can only choke that, but so much to have good results, or the results that you're really trying to achieve. You know, you can't just go wind it in, wind it in, wind it in, wind it in. No, that ain't gonna work. Trust me. And in case I forgot to mention it earlier, the CFM on these 2 guns, this PHS gun is 10.2 CFM, and the PRD 627 comes in at 15.2 CFM, which I would think that the split nozzle, I'm operating it at a lower pressure. I would think that requires less, but that's what they state on their website. That's the CFM. So apparently, as per their website, a smaller compressor kind of guy, you would be better off with the PHS 155. Again, that's going by their website. You know, these things have to be tested on small compressors to really be able to tell that, you know. All right, got it done. This is what we're looking like. This is what we're looking like. This is what we're looking like. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually came out pretty clean, too. Came out pretty clean, if you know what I mean. Yo. Came out pretty clean. But yeah, so that's what it is, man. We're gonna get it out in the morning, pull out the sun, see what it looks like. This one better, this one won. So y'all tell me what y'all think. That's what 2 guns, 1 cup gonna be from now on. It ain't gonna be me telling you, you know what I'm saying? I'll give my opinion, a little bit, a little 2 cents, but you guys tell me what you think, who's the winner. Anyway, we'll get out in the morning, see what's what. All right, this is what we're looking like next morning. Top of the morning to you, top of the morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Here we go here, this is what we're looking like. This is what we're looking like here. This is the black trunks. This is the black trunks. This is the black trunks. As you see, very fine, very fine, very fine. And as you come over here to the blue trunks, PRD, that's what you got.
Yo, Trigger Man, that looks spectacular.
Yo.
That's what spectacular looks like.
That's what it looked like. That's what it is.
And you know that's right.
This man here crazy. Pay him no mind. He's already been drinking from 8 o'clock this morning. But yeah, so that's what we're looking like, man. Not too much of no difference there. Not too much of no difference. Not too much difference. Not too much difference. Only thing is the application, you know, the experience that you get while spraying it. The results, like I tell you guys all the time, you can get it with any gun, but the experience and the ease of getting it, you know. With this one here, was much less overspray, much less effort, everything, you know. Definitely. But anyway, that's gonna do it, man. That's a wrap on this one. Hey, and guys, remember, it's just a spray gun. Now go have fun. Okay, guys, and on that last clip right there, what I'm saying about the experience that you have when spraying the gun, it's like some guns you'll have a better experience spraying it. Some guns you spray, it'll be a poor experience. So that's what I meant there, not like the experience that you have coming into the job. So just want to clear that up. And on this one here, the winner is going to go to the PRD 627. The gun sprayed flawlessly. It did so at a lower pressure. There was less overspray. And for me, just like many of you guys, when I spray in my booth, I don't have top of the line, downdraft. You know, it's a 60-plus-year-old spray booth. So I lean more towards guns that have less overspray. Less overspray building up in the booth. And that gun definitely did. It almost in the same ballpark as my LPH 400. You know, that same type of spraying experience is what I feel when I use that gun. So that's what I lean towards, and that's why that gun is the winner. Again, the PHS 155 is not a bad gun, just more pressure, more overspray in the booth, but you see the job, you see the results it gets. They both get you a nice flat finish. You know, the gun doesn't get you that, but you have the ability. The gun has the potential. If you learn the gun, dial it in, get your materials right, the gun has the ability to get you a nice glass finish that everybody likes. It can get it. So it's just the spraying experience you get with the gun, you know. So that's my take. You know, the trophy goes to PRD 627. That's the champ of today's 2 Guns 1 Cup. Want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the show. I would ask that you would please like, share, subscribe. If you're enjoying the content, please subscribe. Don't cost you nothing. I ask that you would also share this video with a friend. And after doing so, if you would please tell his girlfriend. Peace.